Hello, hello, Borby! Hello mga ka-Borby! Welcome to my channel! Hello guys, samahan niyo ako. Pupunta tayo sa Araneta Coliseum para manood ng concert. So, it's Hitman David Foster and Friends. Sasakay tayo sa LRT Mapa Station kasi ito yung pinakamalapit sa bahay. Katayo ako niyan kasi punuan. Tapos, ito na yung Araneta Coliseum Green Gate and walking towards Green Gate. Ayan ang papanoorin nating concert. Free tickets nga pala ang nakuha ko from Araneta City just by downloading their app. Nasa loob na tayo nito. And waiting for the concert to start. And here we go! Super excited. First time to. Let's see.
That I have been to, and I've been to a lot of countries. There is no country that loves music more than the Philippines. I give away my soul to hold you once again.
I swear by the moon and the stars in the sky, I'll be there. Said it again, my heart's in motion. Every word feels like a shooting star. I can be all that you needed if you let me try. Take me for what I am, 'cause I'll never change another colors for you.
Hold it there. You were my one.
More chance I never thought I'd find. After all that we've been through, I will make it up to you. I promise to. Forever. Grabe ang galing ng stand dito. Oh my God! Stan! Oh my God! Woo! Oh my God!
Something happened along the line, and yesterday was all we had. Wishing nothing was gone. That's why, darling, it's incredible that someone so unforgettable said I am unforgettable
You're like a dream come true. Two, just wanna be with you. Three, girl, it's plain to see that you're the only one for me. And four, repeat the steps 1, 2, 3. Let me fall in love with me. If ever I believe my word is is done,
Say what?
then I'll start it back at one. Yeah. Tapos ito na, ending na ng concert. So, gutom na kami niyan. Walking outside na. Hanap kami ng makakainan. So, daan kami dito sa may Kia Theater or New Frontier Theater, which is the home of the Binibinis, di ba? Memories. Tapos yan, naglalakad kami kasi gutom na kami. Naghanap kami ng makakainan dyan. And ang napili naming kainan is Jollibee. Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo na lang. Wait lang ha, sandali. Lakad-lakad, lakad pa more. Daming memories dito. Nakakamiss din. So yan, lakad-lakad. Lakad pa more. Haba pala nung nilakad namin. Ayun yung Jollibee, nakikita nyo na. Nakakapagod talaga to. Lakad kami niyan eh. Gutom na kasi. And order na kami sa Jollibee. Tapos, hihintayin na lang namin na ma-ready yung orders namin. And once done, kakain na. Palabok with chicken. Kaming